Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Charles Dossi. I'm the managing director of Consensus here in Asia Pacific. I'm really delighted to join this BSN event. We are very excited about the project and our collaboration. And in the next few minutes, I will be sharing with you a few news about Consensus and how we collaborate with BSN. Let's have a look at Consensus. Consensus is one of the world's largest blockchain engineering company. We are the company behind Truffle, the #1 platform for smart contract development. We do as well a lot of security audits, as well as tokenizations. Our software called Consensus Quorum is the software the most used globally in the world of enterprise. And if you're familiar with MetaMask, it's also a product of Consensus with more than 11 million users today. We work with a number of enterprise and governments from the Hong Kong Monetary Authority of Hong Kong to Banque de France, but also a large number of banks and large companies and consortiums. When it comes to consortiums, we work with Congo, consortiums around the oil business, bringing together more than 15 companies to create their own blockchain business, as well as Covantis, which brings together the world's largest traders of agricultural commodities. Consensus has raised money recently, 65 million US, from various companies such as MasterCard, JP Morgan, as well as the Greater Bay Area Fund and some other players. We are very excited since 2021 to start the year with our collaboration and partnership with the BSN network. So Consensus Quorum multiplied by the network of BSN is something we really look forward to keep developing in the next years. It's really bringing this private network software, which is Go Quorum, and looking at how we can accelerate the adoption of enterprise and accelerate the builds of enterprise using the Codify suite, such as Codify Orchestrate, Workflow, or Asset. As I mentioned earlier, we've been raising money, 65 million, and this is really helping the company to move to its next stage of growth. We've been also working in the bond industry together with the Société Générale and some other banks to issue bonds for companies on the blockchain. We've been also very busy recently in 2021 with the MCBDC bridge, the multiple CBDC bridge, which brings together BIS Innovation Hub, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, Bank of Thailand, the Digital Currency Institute from People's Bank of China, as well as the central banks of the UAE. And what we are building here and co-creating with these central banks is a platform to accelerate cross-border payment and facilitate for all these banks and central banks to really bring value out of CBDCs in an international perspective. We've been also building here in Hong Kong a digital health passport to help citizens and hospital workers to record their different COVID testing and other related informations. In Saudi Arabia, we are helping a large conglomerate over there to make the best of the blockchain technology. Consensus is also involved in the NFT world via our platform called Palm, which we use to issue artistic works and make them available to a larger audience. But for and foremost, Consensus is a technology company. We've been very involved with the creation of Hyperledger Besu, which is also available within the large BSN network. And Hyperledger Besu keeps having some upgrades in terms of different type of specifications, as well as different consensus modes. We've been also recently shortlisted by Bank of Korea together with our partner Groundex for digital central bank currencies in the peninsula. And we will be leveraging some of our products, such as Codify Asset, which keeps having updates. So I really invite you to connect with the BSN team and Consensus team to know more and explore how you can integrate this suite of software in your programs. So talking about products, the stack of Consensus really focuses focuses on building the settlement layer, such as GoCorum, for example, together with BSN. And then it provides to the enterprise different software which accelerate the time to market, as well as lower the cost of development in order to make the best of their blockchain plans and applications. Corum is a software which is really in favor by the enterprises. It brings privacy, it brings control. It also helps with the management of private keys and creates very organic and efficient APIs. So there is many ways you can implement Consensus Corum on BSN, and there is also services provided by Consensus for the enterprises, which we call Consensus Customer Success. So a lot of benefits for using Consensus Corum, from privacy, enterprise grade security, and many others. So we really look forward to keep building with you and essentially enabling this paradigm shift that we are all a part of, in looking at how we are essentially reorganizing our societies and enterprise, as well as economies, to make them more efficient and make them take the best of the technology of blockchain. And all of this comes with enterprise-grade software and services, so you can join us and many other companies in the world of Corum, building the enterprise of the future for you guys. So there is different use cases we can explore together. Covantis is one, bringing together global commodity traders from different parts of the world, including China, with a company called COFCO. Louis Vuitton is also a very avid user of Consensus Corum with a project called Aura. But we are also working with stock exchanges such as Euronext and LiquidShare to help tokenize some assets, such as funds, for example, when the regulators are aligned with that. Our works with the regulators keep going. Here in Asia Pacific, we are working with the MAS, but we are also working with the Reserve Bank of Australia, the Bank of Thailand, the HKMA, and as well as some other central banks. So be in touch if you have some CBDCs project. We look forward to the conference today and the summit. If you want to know more about Consensus, we invite you to follow us on WeChat and be in touch with the team here in Hong Kong and all over Asia Pacific if you have inquiries and you want to learn faster and stronger with Consensus on BSN. Thanks again for having me today, and I look forward to the summit. Thank you.